Hi, thank you for visiting my video. Today I will share with you some of the most trusted and underrated paid referral sites. These sites won't make you rich, but they will enable you to earn a good income which you can recycle into a solid investment. Number 1, Creativelive is an online site that provides free and paid online courses on various topics. They offer digital marketing, SEO, web development, information technology, video editing, etc. They also have a very good referral program that will pay you $1 for each person that register for free. All they have to do is a free sign up and you get paid. They also offer 20% revenue share for new customer and 10% revenue share for returning customer. This is a passive income site in which you can earn money quickly if used properly. The more referrals you have, the more you will get paid. To start earning with Creativelive, simply visit creativelive.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, click Become an Affiliate and start earning passive income today. You can also take free online courses. Number 2, Unique Rewards is an online survey site which is very underrated. They have one of the best referral programs. They have a variety of ways for you to make money. You can earn by taking surveys, performing paid registrations, referring someone, and many more easy to earn options. Their referral program pays $1 when each of your referrals completes his/her first free paid survey or offer. They pay you $5 when your referral earns their first $20, and 10% of their qualified earnings for life. It doesn't take long to earn $20. You get $5 just for registering. This is a unique survey panel. Number 3, Valued Opinions is a dependable and trustworthy panel. They have a clean platform and their surveys are short. This panel create and provide their own surveys. They have an affiliate program and their surveys pay a minimum of $1. They pay in gift cards, but you can earn money weekly easily. Valued Opinions is an excellent survey site. Number 4, Springboard America is another survey panel which pays well. They also have a good referral program. You get $1 for each person who registers for free. They also offer a free registration bonus as well. This site only offers paid surveys and are a very dependable and trustworthy panel. They have good payment methods and pay scale which allows you to earn more money with each withdrawals. Number 5, CME is the fastest paying online site period. They pay you faster than a speeding bullet. If you do a cash withdrawal and check your PayPal account, you will have your funds instantly. They also have lots of daily surveys and is getting better and better. You can earn a quick $5 easily with this site. They also have a good referral program which pays $1 for each person who registers. They also only offer paid surveys. This is a very good site also. These are only a few sites. There are many more. All it takes to find them is proper research. Please come back and visit my channel. I will provide more good sites. Watch for more videos to come. To find links to these sites, please scroll down and look below the video. Click the Show More option and you will see them. You can also request links if needed. Simply leave a comment and I will respond. Also, please visit us on Pinterest, www.pinterest.com/getpaid to take a surveys 5. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.